Hey, what's going on, people? This is Kelvin Kidd, and this is the end of the week results from my trading, swing trading. But GU looking like I'm about to lose that trade because I can see it's about to hit that, and I know due to Sunday they're gonna put these spreads up, so I know that we're gonna get triggered out. But as you can see, it's point 0.5 right here, so it's about 100 pips on a point 0.5. You can do the math on that. um, and my potential was 200 pips. So I was risking $50 to make $100, right? So that's what that's what I basically do to maintain my account. I don't risk that much. Only on certain setups, I'll risk a point 25, but other than that, I'll risk, something real light to get good rewards on swing trades. If I'm risking like a point 25, multiple point 25s, I'm basically into day trading or no day trading, but on swings, I'll risk something small like a point 0.5 or a point 0.10. But other than that, I'm keeping it simple. But this one looking like I lost that one, so I'm gonna just let that. I might just try to close that as soon as I can, if it allow me to, if it don't get tapped out. But that's that one. Ian, we sitting at 10 pips. We got to see how that one gonna look on Sunday and Monday. AJ, we at 40. It did come down. We got in right here. I wanted to get in right here, but it is what it is. We got something out of that, so I'm hoping it can come to this level and it can tap me out. Euro CAD. We at 150. It did come down, retest this level. Let me see where we at. Yeah, so I'm gonna just be holding this one because we took some off of this. We took a lot off of this, and I'm just letting this run as interest. And we moved our stop loss up. We're gonna move it back up under this level right here, so that way we don't lose anything. So if we can get to this point, that's almost 400 pips. So we'll be waiting for that. EJ, I wanted to take this one, but see, I don't like this, and it's too bunched up for me. So this move could just be a fake move for one. Let me just look at that. See how it's in a range, and all these highs is like equal. So this could be just a fake move to take out those highs. But on a weekly, what I'm looking at, they got a lot of downward momentum. I mean, they got a lot of downward ways to go just to get back to this moving average. And as you can see from history, that you guys need to start paying attention to your indicators. And price action is it tends to do the same thing over and over. So if we know we got a impulse, right? We're looking for this thing to pull back. Let me just zoom in right quick. We're just gonna do this one. We got an impulse, right? So it moved away from the moving average and it gave us an impulse. So we far away from this moving average, right? So we're looking for a pullback at least to this level or this moving average. This is why I pay attention to get in on another impulse, right? Then it pulled back. Look how I tapped it, ranged it. That's what we're gonna do, right? Boom, paying attention. And it's the weekly time frame. Let me just refresh it. So that's the weekly time frame. You got an impulse, moved away from the moving average, came back to the moving average. Boom, we got an impulse from right there. Move it away from it, made a higher high, came back down. Pay attention, right? We got an impulse, and look how it's starting to get you know, it's kind of building up at the same time, and then it came right back down to it, and went right back up. So look at this one. This is a major impulse. It took out this high, so we're looking for a move right back down to this moving average, right? So we're just gonna go down to the 4-hour, and we're gonna look at those levels, all right? And they go one, boom, and you do the same thing on the 4-hour, and then drop down to your lower time frame so you can get in on it. So they go to hour right there, right? That last down candle right here, bam, right? Came out, came down into it, shot out, getting the ride, right? It's the other one right here, last down candle, boom, came up, came down, you get in on the ride. You know, I think they got a few more right here. You see the little arrow right there. You don't necessarily have to. You don't necessarily need the arrow, but you know, it is what it is. This one is damn that just popped out of there. Boom. But if you would have took it by structure, look at this. Bam. So if it don't hit your down, if it don't hit your little arrow, go for structure, and you can do that. Right? That's the next one. Right? These three. Bam. Right? Let's see. Structure. Boom. Right here. Bam. That's your pocket of trade now. See that? Boom. And you wonder why people make systems to automate their business, right? You know, it helps you study with price action, people. You know, and it leaves clues. But yeah, you see that? That's the weekly. Let me erase all that. Right? So we're looking for this thing to move down, to come back to this moving average, or at least to this low, or this structure point right here. Right? So we're looking for that. We're just gonna highlight that because it's gonna take a while to get there. So as price moving, this will move too. So we're gonna see how that play out. But let me show you. So bam. So I'm looking for this thing to come tap all this. It might go back up to shoot back down because these equal highs right here, and you know how retail is, you know, support and resistance. So we're gonna see with that one. UCAD, look at it. It came back to this moving average, and we just paying attention to it, and we're gonna see what we can get out of it. But look at the weekly. And this is the weekly. It came down, so we can't go up. We tapped that. Let me just see what we're looking like. Yeah, we're going up, and we tapped that moving average, so it can come down. It can fill this, or it can just go down a little more, break these lows, and shoot back up. That's why we wait, right? So, but I am looking to get in a trade right here, but we're gonna see on Sunday and Monday. We're gonna see. AU, we at 40. I think we was doing, where we at? Give me a second. That's what we gonna do. Yeah, AU, we at 40. That's AJ. Yeah, we already have AJ right here. I think I was doing some training on that, but yeah, that's that one, people. So this the only one we losing right here. Boom, at a 0.5. 0.18. I'm only looking to take it down to this level. 4 hour. See, that's where we at over there. AJ, boom, boom. We ain't entered in that one, but I would have entered in that one. But, it didn't quite do what I wanted to do. Came down, but it didn't tap back in this box. So I just left it alone, looking like it's going down, but I think it's going to fill this level and knock all these people out. UJ, we waiting for a trade down. And that's it. So it's only one that we losing. It's right here. And yeah, that's the weekly. That's my weekly results. But we will be looking for more. And usually what I'd like to do is just start off on a weekly right here. As you can see, we moved away from this thing. We're gonna be waiting for confirmation to get in this trade to take it at least back down and fill this level. Right? So we're just gonna be looking at that. We're gonna go down to our 4 hour and clean this up a little bit. And we're gonna clean this up. But this thing can run though, because look how small these candles is. So this thing can possibly run up a little more. So I'm not gonna pay attention to that because these yen pairs has been on this hike. Yeah, but I will be making another video showing you guys from start to finish again. But other than that, I want you guys to see why people make systems and why it isn't the system. That's why you're losing this you at the end of the day, because these people make systems to automate their trading, and it's personalized for them, but they're teaching you what to do and how to use the system. But at the end of the day, you will want to try to re-engineer that to see what goes on and what how you can utilize the system to benefit you. That's what I did. I re-engineered this thing, and I basically use it how I use it to the best of my knowledge, and I just keep it simple, people. Like you can just see. Let me just go to let's go to NZD USD, right? As you can see, you see this thing don't get that far away from this moving average. So if you see price at this, only thing you waiting for is a retracement, because it can go down, like continue down, but how often does that happen? See this? Boom. And at the same time, it'll still retrace to this. See that? Impulse, boom. And if it keeps going down, you just leave it alone until it gets close to this to take a trade, right? And let's go down to the 4 hour. And the same thing happens, right? If it gets too far, wait till it gets a little bit closer to this and start paying attention, right? Start paying attention to price. And then just wait for your setup, right? See that? Your setup. Right there. Boom. Or if you're in a downtrend, wait for your setup, right? Wait till it gets close to this moving average. Boom. Wait till it gets close to this moving average. Boom, right? So yeah, people, these indicators leave clues. You just got to know how to utilize the system. Any system you can get, you learn how to use it and be creative at the end of the day. But other than that, man, that's the weekly results. Y'all get at me, like, comment, subscribe, do what you do. Stay focused on your journey, man, and don't be in a rush to make so much money, because you want to sustain these accounts, and you got to learn how to withdraw your money at the end of the day. But other than that, y'all get at me.